In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin to see where price is going, basically give a technical analysis upon price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to get 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Bitcoin, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on CoinMarketCap, you can see Bitcoin is currently up 4.44% at the time of recording. You can see here on the daily chart that Bitcoin is bullish, which is really nice to see. You can see from here we did have the initial overall pump towards upside. We did reach the highs of 41.45k, and we did have a pretty much I feel like lots and lots of liquidity was taken. We will get into that in a few moments on Trading Viewed. And then what can we see about price now? Price is slowly coming back up. We could possibly possibly make a new higher high, essentially reaching the highs of probably 45k possibly, or even higher. You never know. So if you go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis to see what price is doing, so you can see here that we were initially in an accumulation schematic. It looks like price is pretty much completed this accumulation schematic, and we're just gonna have to wait and see once liquidity gets taken out from this distribution. And then where would most likely be my next target? Most likely would possibly be 50k, 45k is the next target in my opinion. The main reason for this is that I feel like this was just a lower, pretty much it was a higher high, and then this was lower high, and then possibly we're going to make a new higher high essentially, and pretty much breaching past this to get closer to the 50k mark. So you can see here from the video yesterday, I did post, I did initially predict that this was going to occur, that price would come back up here, pretty much liquidate all of this. Obviously price did liquidate a lot of weak-handed sellers. Essentially, you can see here did not respect this supply zone, and pretty much we did tap up into this supply zone over here, and we did have an initial reaction, which therefore led the price towards the downside. But it looks like the price is respecting this very strong demand zone. If we mark this one out here, you can see that price did respect this demand zone. And what happened, price is initially coming back up towards itself again. If you drop into lower time frames, you could possibly even got yourself a nice little entry upon Bitcoin. And we're just gonna have to wait and see on how price reacts once it comes back up to this region, or if we do make a higher high. But on the 3 hour and the 4 hour, you can see that there is a huge bearish wick, and price is still coming back up to which does indicate that price is still bullish in my opinion, because we've now had a candle closure above both of these wicks, which is really nice to see, and it means that we are in a positive breakout structure towards upside, and it's looking good for Bitcoin. I feel like we can finally now start to see the highs of 50k or even 45k if you zoom out a little bit. You can see there's loads and loads of liquidity based upon this as well. You can see that there's a huge demand zone, huge supply zone up above here. You can see here that there's a supply zone roughly around about this area. I feel like price could tap up into this area. The main reason for this is let me just refine it a little bit. So I'll possibly say around about there. Yeah. The main reason for this is the fact that there is pretty much price will liquidate this area, and then therefore from those two areas we could have a little pullback towards the downside. But obviously with Bitcoin, it's going to take time. And yeah, it's looking good for Bitcoin as we're starting to have the bullish momentum coming through into the markets, which is really nice to see. And the overall crypto market, I feel like, is bullish. Let me just check the overall crypto market cap. You can see the overall market is 1.79 trillion. The overall market is up 3.74 trillion, which is really nice to see. And yeah, it's looking good for the overall crypto market over the next few days. It looks like this week is a bullish week, and possibly we could reach the highs of 45k, or even reach the highs close to about well, 45k is the main target, but you never know, we could possibly reach this high as well, around about the 50k region. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.